Welcome to our American Design series, where we delve into the rich tapestry of our nation's architectural and interior design history. Today, we invite you to explore the captivating Southwest region, a place where diverse cultural influences intertwine to create some of the most distinctive and enduring styles in American design. From the rugged charm of Texas ranch style to the timeless elegance of Adobe and Pueblo homes, join us as we journey through the history and evolution of these iconic styles, uncovering how they continue to inspire modern design across the country. Originating in the mid-19th century, Texas ranch style was born out of necessity, with settlers creating homes that were durable, functional, and in harmony with the vast, untamed landscape of Texas. These homes featured low, wide profiles to withstand strong winds, stone exteriors for insulation, and simple, practical interiors made from locally sourced materials. The interior design embraced the rugged lifestyle, with exposed wooden beams, handcrafted leather furniture, and stone fireplaces creating a warm, inviting environment. Today, modern ranch-style homes, prevalent across Texas and parts of New Mexico, continue to honor this heritage while integrating contemporary elements. Architects have maintained the sprawling layouts and use of natural materials, but with added modern comforts like expansive windows, sleek stonework, and updated furnishings that blend rustic charm with modern aesthetics. Southwestern style has deep roots in Native American and Mexican cultures, with its origins tracing back to the Pueblo and Spanish colonial influences of the 18th and 19th centuries, particularly in New Mexico and Arizona. Homes in this style were designed to harmonize with the desert landscape, featuring thick adobe walls, wooden beams, and vibrant colors drawn from natural pigments. The interior design was a celebration of local craftsmanship, with hand-woven textiles, terracotta tiles, and handcrafted furniture reflecting the cultural heritage of the region. Modern Southwestern style, popular in New Mexico, Arizona, and Southern California, retains the vibrant, earthy palette and handcrafted elements, but incorporates cleaner lines and minimalist decor. The use of natural materials like stucco, wood, and terracotta remains central, but with a contemporary twist, creating spaces that feel both timeless and fresh. Spanish Revival style, which gained popularity in the United States during the early 20th century, is a tribute to the colonial architecture of Spain and Mexico, especially in states like California, Arizona, and Texas. Characterized by its stucco walls, red tile roofs, and intricate ironwork, Spanish Revival homes exude a sense of old-world charm and elegance. The interior design often featured dark wooden beams, hand-painted tiles, and ornate chandeliers, creating a luxurious yet warm atmosphere. In modern times, Spanish Revival has been revitalized across the Southwest, particularly in California and Arizona, with a focus on simplicity and functionality, while still celebrating its historical roots. Contemporary designers often blend traditional elements like arched doorways and wrought iron details with modern materials and open floor plans, resulting in spaces that are both timeless and current. Adobe style, with its origins in Native American and Spanish colonial architecture, is one of the oldest building techniques in the Southwest, particularly in New Mexico and Arizona. Characterized by thick, sun-dried adobe brick walls, these homes were designed to provide insulation against the harsh desert climate. The interiors were simple yet functional, with rounded corners, exposed wooden beams, and natural materials like clay and stone. In contemporary design, Adobe style has been reimagined in states like New Mexico, Arizona, and Texas, with modern comforts while preserving its connection to the earth. Modern Adobe homes often feature large windows, clean lines, and sophisticated lighting, yet maintain the signature rounded walls and earthy tones that define the style. Pueblo style is deeply rooted in the traditions of the Native American Pueblo peoples, particularly in New Mexico, characterized by its use of thick adobe walls, flat roofs, and wooden accents. The architecture is both functional and symbolic, designed to reflect the connection between the inhabitants and the land. Interiors were modest, with viga ceilings, kiva fireplaces, and handmade furniture, all crafted from local materials. Modern interpretations of Pueblo style, especially prevalent in New Mexico and Arizona, honor these traditions while introducing modern conveniences. Contemporary Pueblo homes often feature open floor plans, large windows, and a mix of rustic and modern decor, creating spaces that feel both ancient and new. Mediterranean style, with its origins in the coastal regions of Spain, Italy, and Greece, was brought to the American Southwest in the early 20th century, particularly in California and Arizona. The architecture is known for its stucco walls, red tile roofs, and arched doorways, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Interiors often featured ornate tilework, wrought iron accents, and rich, warm colours, reflecting the elegance of Mediterranean living. Today, Mediterranean style in the Southwest has evolved to blend old-world charm with modern luxury, especially in California, Arizona, and parts of Texas. Contemporary Mediterranean homes often include expansive glass doors, minimalist landscaping, and updated interior design that simplifies traditional elements while retaining their timeless appeal. As we come to the end of our journey through the Southwest, we hope you've been inspired by the rich design heritage that defines this unique region. From the earthy textures of Adobe and Pueblo homes to the vibrant hues of Southwestern and Spanish Revival styles, we've seen how these timeless traditions continue to shape modern interiors, bringing warmth, character, and a deep sense of place to any home. But this is just one chapter in our exploration of American design. Each region of our country has its own story to tell, filled with distinct styles and cultural influences that reflect the diverse spirit of America. We invite you to join us in the next episode as we continue our journey across the landscape of American design, discovering the styles that make our homes uniquely ours.